15 sentences on how to use heartache. Heartache. The lottery results from yesterday caused a lot of people heartache. COVID-19 has caused a lot of families heartache due to separation. Not visiting my family during the long weekend is giving me a heartache. I feel heartache when my dogs get sick. It's a heartache to see some people work so hard and still fail. Nothing but heartache could come of it. It makes my heart ache to witness her pain. It's a heartache to see my wife spend all my money. If you like him, you might have a heartache in the future. The famous pop singer is canceling his concert, leaving his fans with heartaches. Seeing their parents fight must cause heartaches for the children. The teacher's last day caused many heartaches among the students. The student's heart ached when he got his exam results. I have a heartache every time I see the scratch on my new car. She had gone through loneliness and heartache, and the shadow was still with her. Thank you for watching. Please click like, subscribe, and share.